So I know it's a little dark on your side, but we got the Loctite epoxy, general purpose. Take out a package and put it together and get some use out of it. Bring you back once it's out of the package. So if I did this right, real simple, you break the tabs and you take your tube here and just turn it sideways. The epoxy's already mixed up in here. You just squirt and touch the tube. And I've got 2 of these, so I'm going to guess that there's the little black piece of the cap, keep it from hardening up in here. And this is your spare tube there. So what we're going to do, we're going to fix here. Remember the bike trailer arm? I had Gorilla glued and duct tape. Well, I ended up accidentally ripping that off by mistake one day. So we're going to run the Loctite epoxy on there, which takes about 20 minutes for it to hold, for it to really set, and then it takes 24 hours for it to cure. So we'll also put more duct tape around it again, just not as much, and give it a little extra security. So I would definitely recommend doing this over something that you don't care gets a little glue to it. So we're going to make sure my phone's out of the way. We'll put some glue on the bottom here as well. So let's see what we got. And yes. Oh yeah. That stuff just comes out like you wouldn't believe. Easy peasy. Wow, I'm surprised. So we'll come back 20 minutes and make sure that's had enough time to set in and set good. And we'll go from there.